Well, trying to fish with some more food. I wouldn't eat the last lot of food, but I've just thrown a few bits of food on top of the pond to see if they'll come up and eat it. Fish are still, two of them, are still lying in the very corner where the pump is. It must be warm down there for them. The rest of the fish seem fine. Haven't seen any problem at all with the fish. It's an overcast day today, it's Sunday, but very overcast. I think we're going to get some heavy rain because the temperature started dropping. The wind's starting to build up. I don't know what the pond temperature is at the moment. We'll have a quick look. As you can see here, I've got to do some painting this week, and all this needs to be done. Temperature today is quite good, 13.8. So the fish should be feeding by now. And like I say, the problem is the cold temperatures at night. Last night got down to 9.4, and I think it's taken the pond a long time to warm up through the day. But we'll leave this food on for another 5 minutes, and then we'll turn the skimmer on and take it off. We've still got to do more work on the electrics. I need a mains cable putting in, which I'll start doing tomorrow. And then it's a question of just transferring everything over to the new circuit box. Okay, that's it for today. Subscribe if you want to. Everyone's welcome.